Hey everyone, in this section we will look at how total revenue behaves when price goes down if we have elastic demand, unit elastic demand and inelastic demand. Take a look at these columns here. Column 1 is showing me the total quantity increasing from 1 unit all the way to 8 units. Column 2 is showing us the price keeps going down from $8 to $1. So this is the law of demand in play. When price is going down, quantity demanded is going up. Now column 3, we have the elasticity coefficients. So these numbers are greater than 1. And the demand is elastic for these values. Now here between quantities 4 and 5, the elasticity coefficient is equal to 1 and demand is unit elastic over this interval. Now if I look at the rest of the numbers, the rest of the elasticity values, these values are less than 1 and demand is inelastic. Please notice here only the positive values are reported. The negative sign is ignored when we are reporting the elasticity values. Now take a look at column 4. Here we have the total revenue calculated, which is equal to price times quantity. So this total revenue numbers we get by multiplying price times quantity. Alright, so here comes the fun part. Now just notice something here. The price is doing what? The price keeps going down and we have elastic demand, unit elastic demand and inelastic demand. With the type of demand in mind, I'm gonna look at what happens to total revenue. If the demand is elastic, like we saw over this range, demand is elastic and the price is definitely going down, total revenue keeps going up from 8,000 to 14,000 to 18,000. My conclusion here, price is going down, total revenue is increasing for elastic demand. Now, what happens for unit elastic demand? Like over this range, we have unit elastic demand. So the total revenue stays the same when price goes down and demand is unit elastic. Now come to the inelastic part of the demand curve. The total revenue keeps going down from 18,000 all the way to 8,000. Okay, so I can say when demand is inelastic, when price goes down, total revenue is going down. Okay, now I want you to think more and look at this in another way, like look at the price elasticity and total revenue interaction. What happens when price goes up and demand is elastic unit elastic or inelastic. What will happen to total revenue? If you can take a hint from these examples here and give me your answer or think about it, that will be great. So when price is up, the demand is elastic, total revenue will move in the opposite direction. For elastic demand, price and total revenue goes in opposite directions. Unit elastic demand, no matter price goes up or down, nothing happens to the total revenue number. In elastic demand, price goes up, total revenue goes up. Price and total revenue moves in the same direction if the demand curve is inelastic. So this is all about the total revenue test and the demand curve.